The YouTube updates this week. We had a launch on the 27th of March, and YouTube Shorts is getting an update there with a little rectangle at the bottom of the Shorts that will display or tease comments, a comment teaser if you will. And if you click on it, you get to the comment section and the teased comments will be on top of that list. I do think it's a great update. Let me know what you think, and let's move on to the next update. The next one is about YouTube Premium for two-person households. It's coming to India, Hong Kong, France, and Taiwan as an experiment. About 50% of users will see it, and you can get to it if you're in these areas by visiting youtube.com/premium/2person. It will be like a small family plan. We do not know how much they will charge for it. If you live in those areas, have access to the experiment, please let us know and we can continue with it. Also, we do have a little bit of a license issue regarding YouTube Shorts, but also creator music. Let's dig into it. So first of all, Wixen Music, which is like a music label, a music group, have retracted their Shorts audio library licenses from the 28th of March 2025. That means if you have used Wixen Music in any of your Shorts, you will get an email about it and your Shorts will be removed. If you've used Wixen content in your long-form videos, it will stay, but will likely receive a copyright claim if you haven't had any other agreements with the audio label. I do think that you all should be aware of this. If you use licensed music, be it via YouTube or be it via like some third-party app, if you don't have an agreement that states your channel can use this piece of music, you're not in the legal clear, okay? Please get your paperwork sorted so you don't get into this. Same thing happens with Warner Music Group, WMG, and they had like licenses put out via Creator Music, via YouTube. So if you booked a license via YouTube to use a Warner Music Group song, those licenses are getting revoked and they are turned into copyright claims where all of the proceedings, all of the money is going to Warner Music Group. So please look into this. You've had an email about this if you've used YouTube Music or Creator Music rather. And yeah, please do get your license sorted elsewhere and have everything in writing. Very important. Cool. And as the last part, something we don't get in the EU, but will be quite interesting if you have access to those features, are 3 new Inspiration tab features, which used to be the Research tab. And yeah, basically you can brainstorm from everywhere, which is like data and comments from former videos of yours will be put into there. You can brainstorm your ideas, you can bounce them off with Gemini, and I do think that it could be useful, kind of, at least from like a perspective of viewers suggesting you to do stuff. And also they will help you formulate hooks, so your like starting point of a video or the entry level will get a little bit more smooth. It's fine. It's AI assisted hooks and brainstorming tools to gather more retention and attention from the viewer, basically. And they will also introduce quick saves, which is like if you see an idea, if you just like note it down, you can like quickly save it and come back to it later. It's fine. It's not like genius level of new things that are happening here, but if you're somewhere where they actually allow those use of the tools, feel free to use them. Leave the comment feedback below and we'll see how it looks. Also, this channel now has AutoDubbing enabled, which means you will likely see a very bad German translation on it. We are trying to get multi-language audio where we can upload our own German track as well, so all of you can enjoy the usual quality of German content on this channel as well. However, we are starting to move into the English direction so we can serve a broader audience. All right, cool. In that case, thank you very much for tuning in. Subscribe to this channel for YouTube updates and we'll see you next week on this channel. Take care. Bye-bye.